Hello everyone, welcome back to World Family. Today we are going to see about scenario-based SQL interview question in joins. So let's open SQL Management Studio and I have created two tables like EMP and MOST, and these two tables contain different type of values in ID columns. So EMP table contain ID column values are 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, null, 5, 7, and MOST table values are 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times null values, and 1 times 6 values. So I will show you how the joins are working. So same record I mentioned in this snipping tool, like 1 1 1 2 3 null 5 7. So same thing, 1 triple 3 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times null, and 6. So inner join means common record between both tables, two tables, like a two tables. So what is the common between these two tables? This one value is common between these two tables. So inner join 1 1, this one again will join 1, and this one will join with 1. So 1 1, this one 1 1 1 1, and this two join with this 2 2 2, because these are common values, and these two come join with this 2 2 2, again this 2 join with this 2 2 2, and this 3 join with this 3 3 3, and this 3 join with this 3 3 3. So null cannot compare with another null, and 5 and 7 there is no matching with most table. This, and the total number of count is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total is 8. Now we are going to see left joins. Left join means what are the record from left hand side tables, all the record from left hand side table, and matching record from right hand side table. So I'll change the color like green. So what are the record from left hand side? 1. So this will match with this one, 1 1, and this will match with again 1 1 1. This one again match with this one, 1 1. This two match with this two, 2 2. This two match with this two, 2 2. This two match with again this two, 2 2, and this 3 match with this 3, this 3, and this 3 match with this 3. Null will not compare, but null we need, because left hand side values will come for left join. So null, there is no match with null, so null is undefined and unknown values, null. And 5 there is no value, 5 5 null, and 7 null, there is no match with null. So what are the number of records? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So total number of count is 11. Now going to right join. So same thing, what are the record from right hand side? All the record from right hand side table, and what are the matching record from left hand side table? I'll change this color like gray. This one match with this one, 1 1. This one match with this one, 1 1. This one match with again this one, 1 1. So this two match with this two, 2 2. This two match with, sorry, this two again match with, sorry, this two match with this two, this two match with this two, and this 3 match with this 3, this 3 match with this 3, and null we cannot define an So it will show null, undefined and unknown value, again null, so that is undefined and unknown value. 6, there is no match between EMP table, so null. So all the record from left hand or right hand table values are there, and left hand side table matching records only it will show. So what are the total number of count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Sorry, this is 11. Is 11. So full join means com all the records from left hand side table and right hand side table. So what are the left hand side table? 1 1 1 2. So what is matching with this one? One is matching with this one, again one is matching with this one, again this one matching with this one, and 2 matching with the 3 times. So 2 2 2 3 is matching with the 2 times. So null we cannot compare, null is null. Again this null is not compared, so null null, this null well is undependent and unknown. And 5, there is no match, null. 7, there is no match, null. 6, there is no match, null. And total number of count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. 14. Cross join means Cartesian product. It's a Cartesian product, it's a multiplication. So this number of record is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of record is 8, and most table number of record is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. So into 9, 8 into 9, 72. So 72 number of combination will be there. So one will join with the one will join with again two, one will join with the two, two, three, three, null, null, six. Again this one will start one, join with one, again two, 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 and three, three, null, null, six. So like this way, it will cross multiply with all the records. Let's check the output for SQL Management Studio. So I have prepared the values. So now I'm executing inner join. So let's verify. Inner join total record is 8. So count is 8. 1 3 times, 2 3 times, and 3 2 times. So total number of count is 8 matched. Now we are going to left join. So total number of count is 11. It will show 11. So total number of count is 11. Left join, and 1 3 times, 1 3 times, 2 3 times, 2 3 times, 3 2 times, 3 2 times, and null null, 5 null, 7 null. So this is matched. Then right join. Total number of counts same, 11. So total number of count 11. So same, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, and 2 times 3. Null is 2 times, and null 6. So total number of count 11. It's matched. Then full join. Sorry. So total number of count is 14. Total number of 14 is 14. So 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 3, null 2 times, and 5 null, 7 null, 6 null, 3 times null. Okay. And now Cartesian product like cross join. So just I am adding mp comma dbo dot most. So the common total number of record is 72. The combination what I explained in this chart. 8 into 9, 72. 72 records, total number of counts. So one will match with one will match with two, one will match with two, again one will match with two. So same way it will cross multiply. Thanks for joining this session. Please subscribe our channel to get more video like this kind of interview questions, scenario based question, all kind of questions. Thank you all. Bye.